Hello and welcome to another show about milapol.com Tech Desk. And what we're actually doing here with this daily podcast is that we wanted to provide the different ways of marketing your website to get more traffic. I know everybody talks about creating a website, but the problem is that it's no longer when you create it, they will come. You would actually need to do additional effort of marketing your website. Now, when you do market the website with the SEO and all this other fun marketing stuff, um, the problem is that how to get people to stick longer to your website. If you look at your website, you're gonna see sometimes bounce rate higher. Like somebody would come in and just bounce off the website. That's what it's called, bounce rate. Um, because of the fact that when they see the website, it's a flat brochure. They look at whatever product or service that you're selling and it just bounce off. Now, what we're looking here is to provide a way for your online visitors to actually stick around longer. Again, my name is John. I'm with milapol.com. And if you see this hat here, cdtv.net, we're actually selling the domain name of cdtv.net. Go to the website, and then if there's a form there that you can contact after me or even a telephone number, and you can discuss how to purchase cdtv.net. So that's why I have the hat. Now, back to milapol.com, what we provide is an AI chatbot to help websites increase website traffic by providing free tools to your visitors about your industry and your products and services. So, say for example, you have a uh, uh, like H&R Block as a good example. They actually give out tools, free tools, like a free online calculator or tax calculator. So that way, people can actually hear what they are actually people can actually see what they actually have on their tax return should be, like an estimate. So people start to use the free tool and the word gets out. That's a thing. So that's the same thing as what we provide here. We provide a free tool of AI chatbot. It's a trivia chatbot plus a customer service bot. So those are the things that you're gonna get when you purchase the AI chatbot with the lifetime deal because it's the Labor Day sale that we have going on, and the price here is really really low and affordable. And one small investment can return a lifetime of value for your website. So, for example, like your website would be, I don't know, let's see, what can we think about? We can actually have a website about uh, restaurants, right? Restaurant. So you have a website, you have a restaurant business, and what happens is that you sell a lot of, I don't know, you're a pizza shop or a pizza pie restaurant, pizza place. So I love pizza, by the way. So uh, what happens is that that pizza shop, people come into the website and see, okay, it's a standard flat brochure website. You provide the name of the website, what you guys do, the kind of pizzas that you have that you're selling, time of the store opening and closing, that kind of stuff. How to order online, um, and if you have reservation, you can put in the reservation. That's pretty much a typical restaurant website. For this particular one, we're looking at a pizza shop or a pizza restaurant. So what happens is that with our chatbot on your website, people are going to see a little uh, chatbot on the lower right hand side of the screen. And then when they click on it, it's going to come up with hello and welcome. I can talk to you about pizza and about our business, that kind of stuff. Or you can start off with a trivia about pizza, like when was the pizza first introduced in the US, that kind of stuff. So you bring them a little bit more interactivity into your website. So you have, or even like tomatoes, like what kind of tomatoes goes better with a pizza, Is it like the canned tomato or like a freshly uh, made tomato sauce for the pizza? So those are the things that you can actually add informational tidbits to your users that come into your website, and then they want to talk about like other trivias about it, or they can play a game of which goes better with a pizza or something like that. So you get the interactivity going on, and actually like trying to figure out a way for the users to stick around longer. Now, if they find some interesting information and they're going to keep coming back for if they have any pizza related questions, they're going to come to your site because you have a free tool of you providing an AI chatbot for your pizza restaurant online, and they can actually ask questions about pizza, everything that they need to know about pizza, you know. So when you think of pizza, they will think about your restaurant or your restaurant website. So those are the things to actually keep visitors coming back for more and inviting other friends to tell their other friends and say, hey, if you want to have a pizza trivia, go to this website. So that's how you bring in more visitors to your website. So that's what we do here at milapol.com. We're thinking of how to make the AI chatbot and train that for you. You don't have to do anything. Now, there's a lot of no code tools or AI bots that would create a chatbot for you. That's fine. But, you know, you still need to train the AI, right? You still need to train the AI. You still need to test it out. We do all of that for you. And with a very, very low, affordable lifetime deal sale with the Labor Day sale running right now, it's a very small investment for a lifetime of value that you're going to get out of the AI chatbot. So we train that for you. We train the chatbot for the um, FAQ that you guys have for your website or for your company, and that's the thing. It actually makes more sense to actually have an AI chatbot. That's the newest thing right now, because of the fact that everybody's happy to have a website. That's fine and good, but then it's a flat website. There's I mean, you can have a video there. You can have like fancy graphics and moving all this fun stuff on your website, but still at the end of the day, it's still not interactive. Wouldn't it be nice to actually have a bot to help out people how to navigate the site, how to talk about the different products and services that you have, right? So those are the things that we provide for your website. It's actually an amazing tool, and it's you can provide this tool for free to your online visitors to get traction. That's how you create a word of mouth marketing. Imagine people would say, if you have a car repair shop, you talk about tips on how to maintain your car. You know, so people are gonna say, hey, I saw this website and it's giving me tips on how to maintain my car. So then they're gonna come to your car repair shop, or maybe even if you are a car dealership, to actually have more people come in and get to know your brand, that you're selling cars or you're repairing cars, or whatever the case may be. That's how you build marketing. That's how you build people coming back to your website, because you give them something new every single time. Now, that's the thing with AI. What the AI gives back to me in replies, in text replies, is could be different from what you get out of your text reply, because it all depends on what you're talking specifically, what kind of information you provide the AI in order to come up with the reply for you. Like, I tried the AI for the auto website, right? Dealership. And I said to the AI, I'm a family of five, and I wanted to buy a car that sits comfortably, the whole family, with some baggage or some luggage that we have if we're going to go traveling to, uh, like on a road trip or something that's going to help us as well with our grocery run, um, help to bring the kids to school and pick them up in school, something like that. And I actually came up with a uh, three suggestions of automobile uh, that best suits what I'm looking for. So those are the things that you will get on an AI chatbot with us. Now, the difference about our AI chatbot from other AI chatbots out there is that Nowadays, there are chatbots that feels like an IVR. You know, when you call in a phone number, it would ask for press one for sales, press two for tech support, press three for billing. That's the kind of AI chatbot that's out there. Our chatbot is totally different. Our chatbot is a conversational chatbot because what it does for your uh, online visitors is that to provide them with something that's going to help them discuss whatever they're looking for, right? So you could say, "Yeah, I want to get some more information about your pizza," for the pizza shop example earlier. So you can actually have, um, what kind of pizza do you have? Is it like, well, what kind of cheese do you use? That kind of stuff. So um, you can have all those different things that you can ask the AI chatbot regarding your business as we train it for you. So we can provide the online visitor or uh, more fun and interactive way of learning about pizza, right? Or if you're a car repair shop, learning about repairs or maintaining your car. If you're a car dealership, looking at ways for better recommended cars for your situation, for whatever car that you're looking for. So those are the things that we can provide to you. And again, one of the other things that's unique to our chatbot, including the ones that I mentioned earlier, is that the AI chatbot is multilingual. Um, there are other chatbots that waking up and saying, okay, we're going to do multilingual too. But right now we have a multilingual website or a chatbot that whatever language the user is going to be using on the chatbot, it will reply to that specific language. So there's no need to press one for Spanish, press two for Japanese, press three for French, press four for German. None of those stuff. It would automatically adjust to what language the user entered on the chatbot. So that's a beautiful thing. So, like I said, you don't have to do the heavy lifting. We're going to be um, working with you to have an AI chatbot specifically tailored, the trivia and the tailored to your industry or to your business. And at the same time, we have the customer service bot that is tailored to answer frequently asked questions and anything related to your business. So those are the things that we can provide you. Again, we train that for you. And again, guys, we have this lifetime deal going on right now with during the Labor Day sale. Now, after the Labor Day sale, it's going to be a different price, of course, because we have a special deal going on with this holiday that we have. So, whatever the price of the new limited time deal, it's still an amazing price because it's only a one time deal. It's a one time payment, and you get to have a lifetime of value, right? So those are the things. It's a lifetime of value. Okay, guys. So I guess that's it for now. We'll talk to you again. Oh, by the way, again, if you see this cdtv.net cap here, um, we're selling cdtv.net domain. If you go online, when you hit cdtv.net, you're gonna get a page for internet information to contact them because they're the ones selling our domain for us. And there's a number there. You can call them up or you can send a form and you can discuss how you're gonna be able to get a hold of cdtv.net. On our current website, milapol.com, go online, check out the different lifetime deals that we have there. Check the latest prices. If you have questions, you can talk to our chatbot. Oh, by the way, we also have a our chatbot is trained for business questions. So let's say, for example, you're soundboarding an idea of a business idea. You can soundboard the idea on our chatbot. Now, you can also ask the chatbot to create a draft email for you. So those are the current, or you can ask the chatbot for business trivia as well. So, and you can see that the answers will give you a little bit more of a pre-sales as well. So, if you talk about the trivia for AI, after providing you with the AI trivia, at the end of the that part, it's gonna upsell our AI chatbot. So imagine that working on your business, whatever the trivia questions that they're asking for about the industry, and then upsell your products and services. So that's the kind of stuff that we have on our AI chatbot. So we hope you like this one. If you have any other questions or other topics that you want us to cover with regards to marketing and trying to get more users for your website, just comment below and we're going to be able to see what we can do for that. Also, you can post wherever you're seeing this video from, so we would like to know where people are seeing the video, and as well as you can comment your URL and your business so that way to create more um, uh, traffic for you. I hope you like this tidbit. Now we're gonna have more marketing ideas down the road. We have this show right now, uh, 9 a.m. in the morning and 7 p.m. Eastern time. So that's Monday through Saturday. Alrighty, everybody, enjoy. Have a nice one. Bye for now.